Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. We have here in this weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, September the 21st, 22nd, 2024, two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars, and we have also a Samwise Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow on Sunday evening. This one I will solve in a minute, but we have not so good news because in the weekend edition we have only one puzzle page. This is the puzzle page of the weekend edition. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last one is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow, will be a problem because let me show you, we have no extra puzzles for tomorrow afternoon. Well, we have the Samurai Sudoku, so alright. Only these 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Let me start first with the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. Okay. And this will be number. Let me zoom this. Yes. This will be number 9310. Yeah. 9310. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 27 printed digits for 3 stars puzzle. Usually there are 25 printed digits. This one has 27, should be a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then let me see. 6, need a 6 here. I need a 6 here. Okay, cannot continue with a 6. How about need a 9 here, need a 1 here, need a 1 there, yeah. In this big square we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Okay, I cannot continue with 1 now. Can I go back to the 6? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 6 here. 6 there, okay. How about the 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column? So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, okay. Need a 3 here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 and 4. 2 numbers left. Wait. No, I need to wait. I need a 4 here. Okay. 8. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in the second column, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark these 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. No. Again, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 7 and 7. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have 5 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 5 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Now only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and the 9, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there, okay. Then, 9 and a 5, we already have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column now, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the 4, we have a 7 now in the third row. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 goes there. Then, yeah. 6, okay. We have all the 1s. How about the 5s? No, 5. 8. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this big square. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number is a 9. And we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in that box, so 1 box left on the 9 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this last row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 now in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes. And then. Well, we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the third row. So in the row 3. Only 2 places left on the 3. Could be here. Could be there. Here we have 3. Here we have a 3. That means in this column we need a 3 here. Because here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be a 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be in one of these 3 boxes. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the row above, so no 3 there. The only place left with 3 should be there. So 1 is left in this row for number 2. Alright. Then, let me see. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in the last column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, so we have a here need a 6. Okay. Then 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in the last column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Okay. So here we have 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 8 in the last column. 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So here can be 3. Okay. 3 or an 8. We have an 8 now, so this box should be a 3. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, and a 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 and an 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.